Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Brian, aka Earthquake Dude, and today's video is actually a pretty special one. I'm actually going to be reviewing a 3-day earthquake kit, so stay tuned. I will give you my honest opinion, my recommendation, worth it or not. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and the goal of it is to get you guys to take action and start preparing. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. I want to before we begin, I want to give a big shout out to Redfora for sending me this 3-day pack for an earthquake bag. I can already see by the aesthetics, it's a nice red bag, which is good because you want a bag to be bright and easy to spot after the the earthquake. You want to be able to notice it and make sure it's not like lost in a bunch of junk and stuff. So I like the red, it really sticks out. Got a cool little patch right here that says earthquake kit, earthquake bag. So yeah, let's see what we have here. I'm actually really excited. So again, big shout out to Redfora for sending me this bag, and let's begin, shall we? So this is a 3-day bag. It's supposed to be enough items and supplies for 3 days. So this is a good one for a car, to keep it in your car, things like that. So we can see that it's nicely packed. I'm gonna show it here, and I'm gonna also in another video that I'm taking over here so I can show you guys. So we have a light and comms. So in here it includes a flashlight, a radio, a charger, a glow stick, a candle. Really good because in earthquakes, more than likely you won't have access to power. So having things to light up your house and provide some type of power while you don't have power is actually pretty essential. So that's really good. Let's see what else we have here. We got personal hygiene little kit right here. You can see we have a hygiene kit, pocket tissues, protective mask, and bags. Really good as well. We got a big boy here. We have shelter and warmth. So again, I really like the aesthetics of this bag. It's all nicely packed by what category you're looking at here. Shelter and warmth. We got a tube tent, sleeping bag, body warmer, and poncho. Again, no power means no access to AC or any type of heat source. So nights that it gets really cold, things might be useful. And it really plays a big role in case you're not able to sleep in your house because of any type of red flags that it might not be safe to be habited at the moment. So really nice. Our next bag here, we have a tools and first aid kit. So really good. We have first aid, rope, multi-tool, whistle, and compass. Very good. Gloves, goggles, pencil, paper, and sewing kit. So really nice. Like that one as well. The last but not least, the food and water. Let me see if I can get that camera to look at that. Food and water. So we have water pouches, purification tablets, and food bars. So should be theoretically enough to sustain you for 3 days. So starting off the back, I really like how this bag is easy to navigate through. Everything's everything's actually well separated, and it shows you the thing. And I like this too. They send a little pamphlet creating your emergency plan with a lot of really good information. How do you start? Walk through. Oh wow, look at that. A place for you to add contacts. This is all actually really excellent. Liking this so far. Got a lot of other cool information here. We got the complete earthquake bag, everything that's supposed to be included. Oh, and a little bag for all your stuff here. And they got a QR code so you can scan that and look at some videos on how to adjust the stuff. So far so good. I like so far everything that we've seen so far. Let's I think we should open some of this stuff up and check it out. So I want to make sure I think the most important, we'll start off with the most important one, which is food and water. So in the next big earthquake, you definitely won't have access to clean water, or water for that matter. So you need water to compensate drinking water, cooking water, cleaning water. Um, you really water is just one of the things. So we're gonna start off with food and water, and we'll see what we have in here. Nice. So we're starting off with some water packs. These are portable drinking water. You can see all the information, where it's made, the ounces, approvals from the U.S. Coast Guard. Yeah, these are really nice. Directions for use: drink minimum 2 bags per water for marine emergencies. Oh, you know, pretty good. So we have plenty. We do have a lot of these water. I'm trying to see exactly how much water. You see, there's tons of them. Okay, so here we have. Oh, there we see the purification tablets here in case you run into any other natural water that you would like to kind of purify. We got some emergency rations right here with nutrient facts. This is actually pretty cool. I don't know, what do you guys think? Should I try this stuff? I think I'm gonna try the water. I have water. Obviously I try to prepare here we go. Yummy. Doesn't taste bad or anything. Tastes like water. You know, water tastes like water. Yeah, you can go into the whole debate of how water tastes like. Places have different water tastes, but you know, to survive and get you through those rough times after a bigger. Excellent job. So that was good water. So I'm gonna save the rest for sure. Let's see, we also have, I don't even know how we're gonna open this. 9 biscuits. Let's see. So you can see we have food bars. There are food bars, 3,600 kilocalories. Eat 3 food bars per person per day. Replace 5 within 5 years. Okay, very cool. So I guess there's 9 bars in here. So 3 per day, for 3 days. So about, you know, so exactly what they meant. They advertise here 3 days of food and stuff like that. So pretty cool. I probably won't try that right now just because I'm not really that hungry. But if you guys want me to try it in a future video, just let me know in the comments and I'll be trying. Okay, let's go with the lights and communications, because power, like I mentioned again, power won't be easily accessible. So I want to see what options they give us here. And again, big shout out to Redfora for sending me this kit. And then okay, so we're starting off with a candle. Candles I think are kind of not the best thing to do. The reason I say that is because after earthquakes, fires are secondary effects that usually happen after earthquakes, and the reason why is because there might be some gas lines that leak and it's very flammable, and you try to spark an ignition to try to light this candle up, and you know, you have bad news after that. So that's the only reason why I would refrain from getting candles. The only way I would ever use this is if I turned off the gas shut off myself, which I recommend everybody knowing exactly where your gas shut off is at and knowing how to turn it off. So and then knowing it's completely safe, then I would be okay with candles, but I would definitely try to refrain from that, I should say. So we got a cool little light stick. It's awesome. And we have some type of hand crank flashlight, radio, and charger. So let's check it out. Pretty cool. I like these multi-tool functions. Like you can get all these things, you know, packed into one. Okay, this is cool. Check that out. That's awesome. So we got a flashlight. We got a flashlight with different modes. That's awesome. It's got a radio and it's got a hand crank, so you don't even need power to charge this thing. You just gotta crank it up. And You build your own power like that, so you can power your flashlight and your radio. Really, really cool. That's whoa. Sorry, guys. Oh, sorry. Okay, I'm done. That's really cool. You know, that's awesome that they can have that. So if you have this, you know, and you're in some type of trouble, you can always just like blast it. It's got an antenna as well, so this is pretty cool. Not battery, so you don't need any batteries. Again, it's all hand cranked. So I like it. I like it a lot. You know, that's another option. I think you can also charge it with the USB if you have portable chargers as well. That's really cool. I like that a lot. It really cuts down the bulk of having a radio and several flashlights, and it's just like a 2-in-1 kind of feature here. So really cool. Gotta give it to them for sure, indeed. So I like it. And this is for a 3-day pack, so it's not 2 weeks like, but you know, for having it in your car, that's awesome as well. All right, let's go to the personal hygiene real quick. We know what to expect in here, but I kind of just want to show you what's in here. Again, some tissues, some little cloths, some soap. See that? Some toothpaste, some shampoo, a comb. I gotta comb my beard. Pads. I guess those are pads. Cleaning wipes, a toothbrush, a disposable waste bag, which is pretty awesome. Laundry detergent, Tide Pods, please don't eat these. And we got a couple of masks. We all know, I mean, everybody's decked out on masks already. Let's see what else we have. Soap. Okay, pretty cool. You know, with limited resources and not having water to shower, this is, you know, if you're stuck out, you're not at home, this is actually pretty cool. Again, this is only a 3-day pack, so it doesn't mean it's supposed to sustain you for 2 weeks, but it does a pretty good job if you're like caught on the road and have to get back home, stuff like that. Not too shabby. And again, big shout out to Redfora for sending me this bag. Much love to Derek, man, who possible. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, you got some good stuff here. So moving on to the shelter and warmth, we can see poncho, emergency sleeping bag. Oh, that's really tightly compacted. I have to check that out. We got body warmers. I'm a warm bodied already, but some people are always. An emergency tube tent. Oh, that's cool. Look at that. Really nice and compact in case your house is not a viable option to go back in there after the earthquake. It's not deemed safe. Having a tube tent like that with a poncho and a sleeping bag is pretty clutch. Pretty awesome. And then last but not least, we got the tools and first aid kit. So we're going to open this up. Let's see what we got here. Got the thread to sew. We got a little notebook to write down some notes, important stuff. Nice little first aid kit right here. I'm assuming they have the essentials. Oh, we got a nice little multi-tool here. Hey, these are awesome. These are awesome multi-tools. If you guys don't have one of these yet, you guys are sleeping on. We have some rope. We got some gloves. We got a little compass and a whistle. Very nice, very nice. Some goggles, some eye protective stuff, and a pencil steel sharp. Nice. Okay, so that's pretty much the contents there. Like I said, I like how they come pretty organized already in these baggies. You know exactly where to look for, you know, what you need. They all are nicely compressed and put into this really nice red bag. And like I mentioned, this was a 3-day earthquake kit, and I think it's a good one. I really do like it. I like the aesthetics. I like that they have the main components. They bring water for your car, some food, Obviously, it's not. I don't know. You guys seriously let me know in the comments if you guys want me to try the food. But it's got the essentials. It's got the stuff that you actually do need. And like I mentioned, this isn't something you can just get and have in your house and be like, okay, I'm ready. I don't think there's enough. Well, I know there's not enough equipment and resources here to sustain you for the minimum 2 weeks that you should be preparing for. But it's a good way to get started for sure. Good way to get started. Yeah, I like it. I definitely would recommend it if anybody was interested in getting a 3-day pack for their car, for their office, for their work, somewhere that's like somewhat readily accessible where you can just grab and go. But would I get this for my house or my family of 5 and you know, think I'm prepared for the next earthquake? Definitely not. But you know, that's okay. But for what it's worth, for 3 days, I have water, I have food, I have enough stuff to sustain me, and that's really all we're looking for. Because, like I mentioned before, power, water will not be accessible after the earthquake. So it's critical that you start stocking. So I do highly recommend this. I give it a solid 8.7 out of 10. What could be better? I think there's some really the only not so good thing I have to say is the candle. I don't like the candle only because fires are a big issue that we have to deal with, quakes, and the last thing I would want is anybody to be prepared and say, okay, well, we have no power, and they fail to check if their gas shut off is on or off and end up lighting this thing and starting a fire. So I would you know, big shout out to Redfora again. I guess you guys made a pretty amazing product here. But I would definitely take this out. Maybe, I mean, I don't know how I feel. But the essentials, the main essentials are here, and they're portable and easily accessible, and that's, I think, the most important thing that we can do. So guys, I really hope you guys enjoyed that opening. Again, big shout out to Redfora for sending me this bag. I'm going to be doing a giveaway sponsored by them. They're going to be giving away one of these free bags to one of you guys. All you have to do is subscribe, like this video, comment, and I'm going to choose a winner for my YouTube. I'm going to promote it on TikTok and Instagram. So make sure you guys come to the YouTube channel and subscribe here and like and comment for a chance to win one of these bags. It's gonna be really awesome. Unfortunately, it is US only, and Hawaii and Alaska are not counted. So if you guys are from there, I'm sorry, but that those are the qualifications that Redfora gave. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this. I hope this pushes you a little bit closer to maybe considering getting one of these bags, or starting your own. You know, you don't have to buy a bag. You can start your own, get little stuff here and there. So I would highly recommend it. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please leave your comments if you want me to cover any other things, anything that I might have missed. Please, I want to hear your feedback. I want to hear what you guys think about this, all that stuff. So drop all that stuff, and remember to follow me on Instagram and on Twitter, earthquake_dude, and on TikTok, earthquake_dude as well. And don't forget to sub, like, and comment, and I appreciate you guys. So enjoy the rest of your days, and I will see you guys very. Bye.